Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, ever since Bitcoin has crossed 90,000, there is a lot of inflow of cash, especially in the meme coins. And you will realize that if you just look at the biggest bubbles, Brent, Mog, Whiff, Peanut, Pepe, Mew, Pop, Bonk, every single one of them is a large meme coin. On the other end, the two largest one, which is Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, are not performing at their best because they have definitely done the best starting off, and now a lot of the money has been taken out of them to take some profit and put into lower caps. Now you need to understand, while the lower caps are pumping, there is going to be a lot of profit taking that will take place, and all of that profit will head back into the larger coins, and that's when Dogecoin is going to come back into play. Now today you can see that the trading volume has taken a little bit of a pullback, but it's still sitting at a very healthy amount, nearly 33% of the market cap, which is insane. This new wallet purchased about $140 million worth of Dogecoin in the last 2 days. At the same time, there is going to be a huge surge for Dogecoin that is coming through, and Elon Musk is going to be part of it. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin and the whole crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just help lead to algorithm push the video to more people. More people are talking about crypto, high user engagement, more inflow of cash. We see the market climbing, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the biggest thing to do, go down and slap a like on it. Now, first thing first, I want to talk to you guys about the price action. Right now, Doge is holding really strong. Maybe it's not super volatile in the last 24 hours, but it's actually holding really strong between the two strongest zones, so between 35 cents and 45 cents. Now the 45 cents is definitely acting as a resistance, but the 35 cents is also acting really strong for a support, and that's why right now we're pretty much sitting close to 40 cents. And you can see that if you pay attention to Bitcoin, it has climbed over 90k, now sitting close to 91.5k. Keeping in mind it's up 5% today. Therefore, there is a little bit of catching up that Dogecoin is going to probably do in the next couple of hours. And keep in mind, if this catch up is going to push us above the big resistance, well, a lot of people have been asking me, Sky, I understand 45 cents made us reject a couple of times, but after we break 45 cents, what's the next big deal? Well, in simple terms, there isn't really, because only 55 cents is going to be the next little bit of a hesitance before the market is able to keep climbing. But overall, there is actually definitely nothing. Just to give you perspective, right now, from what we received in 2021, the spike was huge, but it was only for a couple of days. Therefore, there was not much time for consolidation. Therefore, there is not much resistance or support that was formed higher than 45 cents. So that means when we just cross 45 cents, there's going to be so much exploration that can be done by the Dogecoin market. On the other end, there are some whales which are still believing that this token is going to do something explosive. What I mean by that is at 41 cents, this wallet decided to purchase about $140 million worth of Dogecoin. Now that's a very high price, but they definitely do think that this money can still be doubled. What do I mean by that? $1 or Dogecoin, they are going to be getting a 2x their money, which is close to $300 million. And on the other end, in 2017, surged 9,000%, with two major corrections along the way, one at 40% and another at 84%. In 2021, skyrocketed 30,000%, again seeing two key pullbacks, 46% and 50%. Now, Dogecoin seems to be entering another parabolic run. Remember, the corrections are part of the journey. 13% dip is not really strong. You just need to understand, as long as we are seeing the overall pattern being uptrend, there is still a lot of things that are going to happen. If you have been paying attention to Twitter, you'll realize that in the trending section, Doge, Brent, Sheep, Bitcoin, everything is about crypto, but the fact that 3 out of the 4 is actually, other than Bitcoin, is just meme coins, that gives you perspective how many big whales are actually, paying attention to it. And Elon Musk, the Office of Government Efficiency, is off to a great start with split leadership. 2 people to do the work of 1. Yeah, this seems really efficient. Now, this is a person who is a US senator, decided to tweet this out, which has over 22 million views, so a lot of people saw this tweet, and Elon actually responded to this. Unlike you, neither of us are being paid, so it is very efficient indeed. Doge will do great things for American people and let the history be the judge. Now that's a really strong statement, because you need to understand, he responded to this person by simply saying, you get paid and we're not. So even if there's two people, nothing to worry about, because Doge government is still going to do great things. And Brand predicts more upside for Dogecoin, says Doge is following Bitcoin's 2016 trajectory and most likely is going to show a really explosive return. And honestly, I can believe this, because right now holding above 40 cents this strongly already suggests that Doge definitely has so much left in its tank. And another whale is this one. You can see purchase another 18 and $19 million worth of Dogecoin just in the month of November. Now CEO, Dogecoin has now surpassed Ford, Roku, Spotify, AMD in total market cap. Now these are some big names and you have definitely heard them in your reality. Tether is like the Federal Reserve of crypto. Every time USDT printer goes burr, the crypto market climbs higher. And in the last 9 days, over 7 billion USDT have been printed. This is a good indication in terms of more USDT is printed, there is going to be more pump to the crypto market. So more supply of US dollar in the crypto market is actually going to be a good deal. And if Bitcoin price action is following the cup and the handle pattern, 250,000 Bitcoin is around the corner. Now morning glory, don't Doge the deadline. Now these people were talking about what sort of impact Doge or the Department of Government Efficiency will have on the overall government or the Trump government, and they simply just said it's very early to make any sort of claim, and will Elon have some sort of good say? Well, we will have to wait and see. Elon Musk's own business sit front and center as he and Trump have amended to delete regulations with Doge. Now, if they do decide to delete a lot of things, that will definitely have a little bit of a negative impact, but overall, there is still good things to happen. And Swiss Digital Bank says nearly 60% of the institutional investors bet long on crypto. And you guys know Swiss banks usually have a large sum of money and their investors are not small people. And Chinese national pledged guilty for laundering millions in crypto investment. That's a lot of money, and they did get caught. And the UK may introduce crypto regulation to counter the Trump-led US appeal. Now, this is interesting because UK has been trying to get some regulations towards crypto, and now they're trying to actually speed it up even more since Trump has come into office. Now, how will the US react to this would be interesting to see. And Coinbase is starting to get into some new features which will be interesting to see, and the ETF for Ethereum is doing some wonders as about $650 million inflow in just the last 5 days. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We got a long way to go. This is just a little hiccup. I hope you enjoyed. Drop a like on it and I'll see you soon.